I'm back here with the look of Myro. Alright, after this came in yesterday, we were expecting a bottom, alright, to come in here, right up here, okay? That was the measurement of this wedge. This yellow line right here was the width of our wedge. We came down, hit this bottom. We expected to bounce back up here, right? Got rejected here. You can see this white resistance line coming down here. Now I measured this out, okay? Looks pretty obvious here when you come out. Let's go on a bigger time frame. There we go, an 8 hour. Alright, you see what I'm talking about here. You can see the 5 waves down. It's just finishing that pattern out. It looks like instead of a bottom here, it ended up going 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's your 5th wave. Alright, and if we measure that out with a Fibonacci over here, going from there to the top, that wave, right about there, okay, that measures out perfectly. You take your tip of your 3 up to the top of your 4, and that gives you your 5 wave target. Pretty much nailed it there at 12.9. Alright, this thing should get a bounce from here. I'm suspecting these RSIs, I have not looked at them ahead of time. I'm suspecting they're at the bottom here. We're getting a nice 8 hour bounce. We got the 8. The 8 is actually rolling over here. Alright, that thing should be turning back up. The 12 is right on the floor. The 4 hour is turning up. Beautiful. Alright, should be getting a bounce out of here. If it breaks this resistance right here, alright, you're going to be looking first off for a retracement up to at least a 618 here. Okay, if we take, let's get this chart over here. Should be a little bit cleaner. Not so much on it. Alright, let's get that off there. And if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that. Let's wipe off everything off here. Okay, so we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Right, and if we take a fib from the top, if this bottom is finally in, which it's really looking that way, okay, you got your 5 waves down. We are right in an area where this should grab, this should be very good support through here. Let's take a look at the support area, put a line on this. Alright, and let's go out on the weekly. There, you got that pull down, monthly, nothing there, no closing candles around this area, you know, but if we take this whole move, alright, and look at this, this is right on I believe it's right on a 786, which you cannot get any better, you know what I'm saying? We'll go from the extreme low there of the move up to the top. And look at that, right on a 786. This absolutely should be a bounce area, okay? Now, if you're taking leverage on this, take, low leverage and let it, not financial advice at all, okay? But I'm sure Myro has a lot of volatility, okay? If you go on a 15-minute in here, let me show you this. Because I trade this thing once in a while, and you can see all these wicks, okay? This is on Mexi right here. Look at all these wicks. That's why you got to be careful. It's getting a very nice bounce off here. Starting a wave pattern up, okay? And if you go out here on a 4 hour, now look at that. That's beautiful. Take and put a trend line on this. Straight down through. Yeah, something like that right there, okay? I'd be watching for a pushback up here, and if this breaks, like I said, a retracement up to the 618, and then that's going to be a big area to watch for. That's right up here at, what, 17 cents? Let's pull it over so we can see the price. Sorry about the rain in the background, guys. Got a tin roof in my little man cave in the garage here. 17.6 to 17 cents. Alright, you got the 4 hour turning up, your weekly's on the bottom, your daily is starting to turn there. Okay, you can see the movement in it. Right on the 786, you can't go wrong. If you can buy a token on the 786 around this area here, That is like prime area. I mean, anybody out there that trades will tell you that a 786 pullback, especially on this weekly, is a prime area to get in on the token. All right, so watch for a rebound up towards that 17, and once we get up there, I mean, look at this chart. What are we down for this move? I just did a members only video on a token. It looks like 50 to 100x token. It really does. I've been through a bull run. I know what these things can do. This thing is down 70%. So say you buy now and it just runs back up to where it was. You're almost going to double your investment right off the bat just to get back up here to what was it, 45 cents. If something is 70% off, I mean, I don't know, not financial advice, but they got me definitely thinking about buying. I know it's been a red month. I know it's been brutal, but I'll tell you what, when you can get tokens at this price, where these things are at, man, this is where you make your big gains in crypto. Put this fib on here. That is a beautiful, beautiful zone. I'm not saying it couldn't come down to this trend line just a hair lower, and hit that trend line just to get another touch on this thing, but it's in a really good spot to bounce here too. Could pull down to 12.3. That would be right down towards the trend line here. And then I would be watching for that bounce back up, first off, back up to the 17 area. It could bounce right here. This could be a bottom. That fifth wave measures out absolutely perfect, right? You got your 4, 5. I mean, put a measurement on this thing. Yeah, here. Oops. Apologize. Should be right there. Oh, should be right there. And then right up here. Right there. Look, it measures right out perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your fifth wave down. I might even check this out on a long. Alright guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. Get them members only videos and get in our Discord and start trading with us here. We're going to start firing the trades back up as soon as this market turns around. Have a great day, everybody.